We're taking a look at Lenovo's S880. Let's take a look at the front. On the top you have got the call speaker along with the front-facing VGA camera and the proximity sensor. Right below it you have the 5-inch screen with a resolution of 800 by 480 pixels. You have got a call mic on the bottom, and the right hand side of the device is completely blank. Let's take a look at the top of the device. It has a 3.5mm jack along with the power button and the USB port. The right hand side sports the volume toggle keys. Taking a look at the back of the device, it has got a 5 megapixel camera with no flash and the noise cancellation mic. The S880 is a dual SIM, dual standby device, and internally it has got a 512 MB RAM along with a 4 GB internal memory. The device has a 1 GHz MTK processor and runs on Android 4.0 or ice cream sandwich. It has an internal battery of 2250 mAh and is available in two colors, black and white, for rupees 18,999.